Hey guys, it's Danny Ben here. I'm thrilled to welcome you to my kitchen and to share with you some of my hot little tips and tricks on how to use my new Sri Lankan style spiced coconut curry simmer sauce. I also love using this in the slow cooker in the cooler months. So I do want to show you how to use my sauce using your slow cooker or your pressure cooker for a really simple but totally delicious family friendly meal. So I'm just going to use some chuck steak here today. I'm going to dice it up and just cook it low and slow until it's really nice and tender. And I've also got 500 grams of veg. Now you can use whatever you like. This is a great recipe to use what you might have in the fridge that needs cooking. I love using waxy baby potatoes because they hold up really well in a slow cooker. I've got some carrots and also eggplant. Now, depending on the size of your pot or pressure cooker, I usually use just one jar for my family, but you might want to use 2 jars if you've got more mouths to feed. All right, so give it a little stir, pop your lid on, and then I'm going to slow cook this anywhere between 4 to 8 hours, depending on the temperature that you're using. If you are using a pressure cooker, about 45 minutes and it will be done. The curry looks absolutely perfect. I love to finish off with some coriander. For now, this is dinner sorted.